So hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For this video I am so excited. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Deborah, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video I'm a little bit excited because I just want to share this, and a couple of you have been asking what I use to edit my videos and what apps I use. But the thing is, if you have a great app and you're like, all this is a process, okay, from preparation, planning to filming to editing. It's a whole process, and so I want to see how this video is going to do, how well it's going to do. If you like this video, then this is the kind of content you guys want me to bring to the table. And so yeah, we'll just get right into the video. I'm just going to be sharing five tips on planning and filming. So I'm going to let you guys in on some of my tips. So the first thing I want to talk about is, please work on your background. That is what we are seeing in your video. I'll put a couple of screenshots or clips right here of my videos before and my videos now on how I have worked on my background. I used to have a box on top of my wardrobe. I took that out. After I took that out, there was one black thing that was there. I couldn't get it because I'm short, and so I left it like that. I did a video with it like that because I couldn't stress that much. But I just felt like everything needs to be perfect. I also had a couple of books and a couple of other things that I don't even know what they're doing there. So I just removed everything, cleared my background, removed the black thing that was there, and now I have this. It is more pleasing to look at. If my room was white, if my room was painted white, my videos would be. If you have a room that is white in your house, I would advise that you use a room that is painted white. I don't know, I've done my research, and white just bounces the light on you. It makes your videos look brighter and better quality. This natural light right here is beautiful. Like, it's God-given. It is beautiful, trust me. Now that we have established that you need to work on your background, please make sure you work on your background. We'll move into the next. In this tip, a couple of people always advise this, and it cannot be overemphasized. Please clean your lenses. Whatever device you are using, please clean the lens. Please clean the lens. I'm going to make a video. I'm going to show you what it's like when you don't clean your lens and you just keep on filming, not knowing that you're filming. This is what we are looking like right now with the lens not clean, because I used my hand to just smudge, and this is what it looks like. It is not as clear. So please clean your lenses. It makes so much difference. So the next thing I want to talk about is, while you are filming, please make short clips. I'm assuming that you are doing a 1-minute Instagram tutorial here. We don't want to see 5 minutes long foundation blending while you are editing, because that is just going to waste your time. That is just going to stress you. My phone is 32 gig. I can't have long footage. I can't just do that. I won't get what I want from my phone. So I make sure that my clips are very short, and I make do with what I have. Make short clips. It will help you. It will be better for you to edit. It will be better for you to work with. You're not wasting so much time. So if you're blending your foundation, that's fine. You just show us that you've blended, show us the end result, and that's it. It's 1 minute, not too much drama. If you are someone that has small memory space like me, you want to make sure that your clips are short. Number four, I would advise that you look at every clip before you move on to the next stage of your makeup, especially if you're using your phone. This is because you can film your whole foundation blending video, and you would find out that it was not as clear and crisp as you want it to be. You would find out that things just went wrong. It was too dark, the sun was hitting in the right or in the wrong corners or on the wrong points of your face, or your ring light was hitting at the wrong point of your face. So you might want to do that again. And if you have already moved on to setting your face, you've already lost out on that. So please check before you move on to the next stage. You're taking us through your makeup process. It's a process, right? So don't cut us off because you have a bad scene. Make sure that everything is perfect before you move on to the next stage. So that is tip number 4. Tip number 5. This tip depends on your style. Yes, it depends on your style. If you are someone who loves to do calm videos, you're not moving everywhere, you're just calm, that's fine. I would advise make it lively. That's for me. You choose your style and stick with your style. You will expect me to be doing an abstract look, like when I had this gold melanin look. I'll not come and be smiling and laughing and showing my dimples. No. So it depends on you, your style, and I think the look you are trying to create. Or if I'm doing a butterfly look, like I'm trying to get everything right, so I won't come and be smiling and dancing with you. So it depends. This one depends, but know your style. Know what you want your videos to pass on. Is it a happy vibe? Is it just a calm vibe? I don't know. I think I want to give a bonus tip. Yeah, I think I want to give a bonus tip. This bonus tip, please connect with your audience. Please connect with your audience. Let us see right into your eyes. Hold on. You are blending, you are doing your eyebrows, and you're like this throughout the whole video. Please connect with your audience. Let us see into your eyes. So yeah, that's my bonus tip. That is my bonus tip. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It will tell me that you will like this content. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video. And also, if you want a part 2, then let's get to 200 subscribers. No, 250 subscribers. It's not too much. We can do this. If you want more content like this, share this video. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next